Welcome back to Marketing in 5, where I talk about ideas in marketing in under 5 minutes. And today's topic, we're going to be breaking down the 3 types of marketing funnel. So, when you're marketing, there are only 3 funnels that you ever need to use or know about. And if you're selling something, have already sold something, and you haven't heard of these, let me break it to you now. You're already using them. So what I'm going to do is talk about each one, and so you can understand what they are, and then you can hopefully figure out how to improve converting customers in the future. So the first funnel is lead generation. So the purpose of this funnel is to turn people that have no idea who you are into people that are willing to be contacted by you. So the first step is attention. So this is probably the most difficult commodity to get, especially on the internet these days. So you've got to do something that makes people turn their head and look at you. And then once you've got that, you give them something for free. So you make them say, you know what, I'm happy to be contacted by this person, I trust them. And then once they're happy with that and you've given them some value, then you say, well, can I contact you? And this can be in the form of like filling in a form on a website, getting a phone number, getting an email, kind of being like, yep, I'm happy to be contacted again. And then once you've got that, then you can move into a nurture sequence. So what this is you're warming that lead up. So as soon as the lead comes in, then you begin your nurture sequence. So whether that's calling them, whether that's a sequence of emails. And what this does is make it easier for you to move into the next funnel, which I'm going to get to now, which is the sales funnel. So the sales funnel, this is designed to turn your leads into customers. So I'm just going to caveat this here. So there are 2 types of leads you can get here. So you've got the ones that you've nurtured, your warm leads, and then you've got your cold leads. But they're moving into the same funnel. And you do this by ads or email. So an ad is targeted at whoever you want it to go to if you're using social media ads. Which is a fantastic way to market at a low budget. And then that ad has got to get people to go, yep, I'm interested in that product. And then they move to the next sequence of this funnel, which is the landing page. Now the landing page has got to be designed to be as easy as possible to go from, yep, I've seen something I'm interested in, to I'm going to give you some money. So one of the best examples of this is Amazon. So they have a sort of, you can buy things in like 1 or 2 clicks. It's the easiest thing, and they make it as easy as possible for you to buy. Because if they click through your ad or they're engaging with your emails and they get through to the next stage and it's difficult to buy, the chances are they might not turn into a customer. And then the next bit is the checkout. Make that process as easy as possible. Give them as many ways as it's feasibly possible for them to give you money. So offer Apple Pay, offer credit card, debit card, bank transfer, whatever you can offer, make them, because when you've got someone at the checkout, they're willing to give you money. So don't make it hard for them then. And then the final funnel that you've got to care about is the retention funnel. So the purpose of this funnel is to keep your existing customers and increase the lifetime value of them. So they're giving you more money, because let me tell you this, it's expensive to get a new customer, but it's actually a lot easier to keep the customers you already have than it is to keep on finding new ones. So as soon as people buy something from you, they're moving into the next funnel, and you've got to follow up with them. So you've got to engage with them, ask them to leave you a review, ask how the product is, and then you've got the opportunity to upsell. So you're like, oh, well, I can see you like this. Have you considered this product that goes with it? And then once they're there, you can move into the next stage, which is loyalty and referral. So the loyalty and referral keeps them engaged, but also helps you bring in new business. Because let's say you've got a loyalty scheme where on your 10th buy, you get a free one. So they're going to be incentivized to buy 10 times. And then referral bonuses is, okay, well, if you tell your friend about us, we'll give you some extra stuff, which is great. So there you have it. That's your 3 marketing funnels in under 5 minutes. So I hope you learned something, and let me know down below what you want to hear about more. And if you're interested in more marketing in 5 minutes videos, hit the subscribe button and stick around. Cheers.